Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of a little emergency radio, solar hand crank survival radio that was sent to me by SUNGLIFE, and I'm going to put the link to this little radio from Amazon down in the description below if you would like to click on that and see some more reviews on it and description of it. But just going off the box here, this is has a flashlight, USB powered. It looks like it is rechargeable, 200 milliamp hour or 2000 milliamp hour charger, so you can charge the device off of this. It looks like it has NOAA AM FM bands. It takes AAA battery, SOS alarm, and it's solar powered. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then I may have to go get some batteries and pop them inside here. But looks like a nice little radio. I want to say thank you to SUNGLIFE for sending this to me for me to review. I always like trying to find good products for you guys to see and enjoy. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this out. Just the other night here in my hometown, we had some really bad weather, some tornadic activity. Got pretty nasty, so something like this absolutely comes in handy. But also this might be a nice addition just to have in the garage, and while I'm working in the garage or doing something like that. So just from the looks of it, it's got a nice, really smooth plastic shell. Looks like, so this must be the solar panel, the protective coating on there. The solar panel, it looks like it can rotate out, maybe catch some better rays depending on how you set it up. So let's see, we've got the WB, I wonder if that's the NOAA. Then we got the FM AM flashlight. Okay, so it has a flashlight. Oh look, you got this little light here too. That's pretty cool. So I don't know if you can see that, it comes up on camera, but you got kind of like a little desk light here. It's actually a cool feature. And it goes off once you pop it out, it goes off. That's neat. So it's all LED. See if we can turn this thing on. Here's the on and off switch. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the antenna out. Okay, the antenna is out.
How to take some stuff. Well, if you do like God said, you'll be surprised to learn that God will fix it.
Hey Jack. Jack's joining me in this video here. Okay. I'm running the dial all the way across. You know what? I'm in AM, so that's why it's not picking. Okay, it's not picking up as many stations in the AM. That's kind of typical, but let's switch over to FM. See.
Hey, God, that we got it. Welcome 2020. Time for something new and exciting.
Okay, cool. It's functioning fine. Let's see if we can grab the NOAA weather.
Protected waters smooth. Thursday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas. Friday, southeast winds 10 to...
Okay. Well, you guys get the idea.
Rain 60%.
There it is. There's a closer.
Tuesday night, cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Near steady temperature in the mid-60s. Wednesday, cloudy with a 40%.
Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and compress the antenna in. So, very small solar panel, but you know, if you had that in the direct sunlight, that'd be cool. Especially if you had like in the dashboard of your car, you know, get a lot of sun. I wouldn't leave it there because it'd probably bleach this out quite a bit and destroy it. But so this is like a battery indicator here, I'm assuming, and it's showing I believe this is showing that it's getting a charge from the sun. So we can switch it, okay, so we can switch from, that's our, excuse me, that's our SOS alarm. And then we've got, not sure what that is. We're gonna look that up in the manual and see. Then we can switch it from lithium ion to AAA. We've got a couple USB ports here. This is like a charging port where I believe we can charge the lithium ion battery that's in here, the internal battery, but also we can charge another device with this. So I don't have any batteries in this. That's surprising. So it's just operating right now off the lithium ion. It comes with a charge, and then we've got this hand crank here. Ooh, that's actually really smooth. I'm surprised. You know, sometimes you get these devices that are these hand crank, and it takes about, you know, 3 years off your life just to crank it up to where it'll work. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And it's got a carabiner hook on the end of this little carrying handle here. So let's look at the manual and see. Oh, it comes with a USB cord to charge up the internal lithium ion battery. So you've got a lot of different ways. So you've got the AAA, you've got the hand crank, you got the solar, and you got the lithium ion power that can power this one radio. 4 different ways that this thing can stay powered up in all different environments. I think it's really cool. Okay, so here's this little switch that I was talking to you about. 21 and 20. USB charging and SOS alarm. Okay, so I wonder if switching this here is what's going to send our power out of the USB port and charge another device. So you can actually, I wonder, I might go steal my wife's phone and see if we could actually charge another device using a hand crank. That would be really neat to be able to do that, to generate some electricity. I don't know if it will allow us to do it or not. But this is SUNGLIFE's website here. I encourage you guys to go visit their website. Check them out on these different social media platforms as well. But so far I've been really pleased with their the products they send me. And yeah, I think this will make a great radio. This will make a great addition just to have in the garage, to have handy, maybe put with our camping supplies, and to use in the case of emergency. So I'm really pleased with it.